It's the dead cat rip your face off rally. Will it hold? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, the 9th of March. And of course, we knew this was coming. We wrote about it. We expected it. The old rip your face off rally. And of course, the markets are up pretty big right now. The real question is, will they hold? And they're probably 50-50 to break. But again, it could push through a little bit higher. This by no means changes the overall trend. The trend is ugly and down, and it would take quite a rally to even get close to thinking about changing it. But to me, I would not be surprised if we ended up closing lower today as well. You right now have the Dow up 600. You have the Nasdaq up 320, the S&P up 85, and the Russell up 425. Okay, we are still short the 3 and long the Russell. Okay. Gold and silver are getting pounded a little bit today, and not a surprise. I wrote that for Kitco this morning, that it would be no surprise to see 2,000 play, the whole number as the new magnet, number one. Number two, we expect a sell-off or some consolidation because the rallies are a little bit too sharp and too big. They've got to have some retracement back to the mean. Okay, so nothing is a surprise at the moment yet. And as we look at crude oil, down about $6, that's not a surprise either. I mean, if we ran up to $1 at 130, okay, right now we're at 117. Okay, so again, we're still long, no issues there. In the dollar is down, we are long. Bitcoin is higher, and we're short, which we're very close to reversing. Okay, we'll see how it goes from here. Obviously, we won't reverse it tonight either way. Copper is lower, we're long. Net gas is higher, we're long. And the bonds and notes are getting clocked again. We're still long. And again, this is one of the things that does show us here is maybe some of the fear is leaving when you start to see, sell-offs in the bond markets. Because that last rally was more built on the fear. Okay, the crappy energy policy, the crappy administration, the garbage that they're trying to pull, trying to become globalist and not help the average American by pumping more oil. So, but I think that fear might be subsiding a little bit right now. So we'll see. In the meantime, you've got in the grain markets, you've got corn lower, which we're long them all, but corn is lower about 7 cents. Soybeans are up about 13 cents after being much higher. And wheat was higher. It's now lower about 75 cents, following yesterday's 14-cent loss after being all over the place. Again, this is natural. You would expect this once they came off Libet to see a little bit of churning and burning and going back and forth. So we'll see where it looks like from here. Okay, we're still long. Nothing is affecting us here. Okay, feeder cattle is slightly higher. We're short the proteins. Feeders are higher, hogs are lower, and fats are lower. But they're all close enough that they can reverse and go back the other way. They're all, let's say, near unchanged. And the softs, cotton is lower, we're short. Coffee is lower, we're short. Sugar is lower, we're long. Cocoa is lower, we're short. And OJ is lower, and we're long. And again, it's very important in this market. There are going to be big moves all day long, back and forth. It's your job to be diligent and patient as you wait for opportunity. If you try to push it, you'll get murdered. Watch your capital, take care of yourself, and be very careful in these markets. And if you're day trading, set your stops. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors that are scrolling along the bottom. Capital Trading Group for futures and commodities. Do all of our letter direction trading. Trade Your Brokerage that for $10 a month that does all of our auto execution for our portfolio models and platforms. So again, but you don't have to auto trade there, but it's something that is offered for free. Okay, and of course, Strategic Wealth Preservation, which is our metal supplier, and of course, our high school program. So check them out. The link's down there on the bottom. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. I'll see some of you today at 1:50 Eastern time for the webinar from Tradier. And until then, have a great day, everybody. Be careful out there. Markets are wild, and they could still be lower on the day before it's over. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.